We went for a field trip in KALRO, Nairobi, where we were given tissue culture cassava cuttings, and yeah, here they are. And so after planting them, watering and mulching and all that, some research, yeah, so we've come up with these plants, which I think to me look awesome.
High school students in NAIVASHA, Kenya are discovering that science can be fun thanks to a new program that gives them hands-on experience with biotechnology. To learn about concepts like tissue culture, they are now growing different varieties of cassava at their schools. The varieties were developed to resist plant diseases, adapt to climate change, and ensure an abundant harvest of this important food security crop. Scifun is the brainchild of Kenneth MONJERO, a scientist at the Kenya Agriculture and Livestock Research Organization. MONJERO, who goes by the name Dr. Fan, collaborated with the Alliance for Science, BOYCE Thompson Institute, CORNELL University, and CORTEVA AGRISCIENCE to share his passion for agriculture, biotechnology, and science with the youth. He is now working on plans to bring Scifun to other schools.
So what inspired me to join KALRO in this project is my love for science. Since if you love science, it will love you back.
The main problem we are facing is attacks by wild animals, the porcupines and the warthogs. The porcupines, they bury the cassava, we have to unbury them. And the cassava had been affected by a fungal infection. We cured it using a traditional method. We used clay, mixed it with water, applying it on the infected area, cover it with polythene, and after some time, the infection was gone.
This technology has really helped in our school because it has passed the knowledge from us to different students and different personnel in the school. I'm a biology student, and you know, being a biology student, I'm in love with science already. Now, when it came to our school, I was ready to take it, and that inspired me.
This program that I'm really proud of is the Scifun. Why Scifun? Science with fun. So it's a program that we thought, how can we engage learners through fun, yet to understand or demystify science? After the tour to the biotech labs, they were able to obtain cassava cuttings, and that's the tissue culture cassava, as a product of the tool of biotechnology. And now they came and planted in their schools. These cassava, have been passed through tissue culture to really eliminate diseases, and of course they have also selected best varieties, and they are doing a cassava challenge. So each school was given 3 cuttings, one for a teacher, one for the president, who is the learner, and deputy president. And now they have been nurturing this cassava, reading about cassava. They have been also engaging the community on cassava production. So right now, they have also engaged with other expertise from US and Europe to really share their insights about what they have done in terms of practicals on Scifun program, which is biotechnology like the DNA extraction and such, and also the cassava challenge. And we've had 11 high schools cutting all across, from the poor to the middle to the high end to mixed boys and girls to boarding and day school, all of them working together. So within a span of 1.5 months, we've engaged over 4,000 learners. So every lesson is 50 learners doing practicals. And within that period, every week and all that weekends, teachers have done an amazing job by engaging over 4,000 learners.
The learners are very happy, very cooperative. In fact, some of them, they are saying that if it's possible, the same should be put on the syllabus. That's the Scifun project, should be put on the syllabus.